First bale, first breakdown. My indicator dropped. It came off the spring. It's held on by a steel cable that goes all the way up and over through that roller into the back. Here's the snapped cable. Goes through that hole over a roller. And there's the other end of the snapped cable. We're only one bale in, and the first bale, it didn't get cut. So there's a lot of string on this side. We will know which side is the tie side though, for sure. Well, there you have it. I didn't get to film too much of the baler actually working correctly. It was a pretty bumpy start, but after we got the kinks worked out of the first few bales, things went pretty good. We had to quit early because my little one is graduating tonight, kindergarten, and we will pick this up again tomorrow and hopefully knock out the rest of this field. See ya. That's it.
Must be hung on something.
It's gotta be.
That's it.
Huh. Oh, we broke something then. Gonna have to check my cheat sheet. Cheat sheet. Good.
Mm-hmm.
One. I did the easy side first.
That was easy.
Yeah, that was the easy side.
I'm breaking the sweat watching you work. I'm glad you got the patience for this.
You said that.
You've got a lot more patience than I do.
I have a wasp in here. He looks none too happy about being in here either. Thank you. Don't come again. My doors are backwards and it's the far hydraulics.
The far or right?
The far.
Left or right?